Not this early in the morning, mister. Maybe later. Can we do it later? No.